This just in, a robbery is happening right now. Police units are moving in as the city remains on high alert. Authorities are urging civilians to stay clear of the area as the situation continues to unfold.
Feels like the world is shining on me. No stress today, we're feeling it. Life hits different with zero script. Good days ahead.